Like an eagle, he'll have you fly high, overlooking your obstacles, dead in the eye. Yo, what's going on, y'all? It's your boy 2ndLyfe, and I'm here to talk about the song Get Down with my homie, Mr. YB.
Hey, what's going on? It's your boy, Mr. YB, and we're là pour me parler ensemble of that new song that I just dropped ensemble avec your boy, 2ndLyfe. Yo, I ain't gonna front, lem fek fe beat sa, m'sonje ke m'just a pense ki est pour moi travailler ensemble avec et m'getan gen un pile musique ensemble avec Life déjà. Musique qui peut-être ou beaucoup entendre déjà, au moins. But I was like, who should I send it to? And I'm like, no, c'est pas gen l'autre moun lié, non? C'est Life. You know, m'voyel by 2ndLyfe. Et puis monsieur pas tan, man, et ça moi maintenant monsieur pas tan non pour le voyer au projet pour.
So I'm remen Mr. YB. Next li remen travail. He has a drive. He get on motivation la Kylie. You know what I'm saying? Something that a lot of people manquent. Pile moun manquent ça. Yo fait travail bon Dieu, mais yo pas vraiment mettre tout cœur yo dans travail là. Next Mr. YB, he puts his heart, so much so, li vive dans studio li. You know what I'm saying? Après le travail, avant li al travail, you know what I'm saying? His really 9-to-5 job, my man is putting in work. He's creating beats. He's creating songs. You know what I mean? He pas quitter music no hard drive. You know what I'm saying? What he does, he actually plans to put it out. And salute to the homie, man. Keep doing your thing. So yo, when he sent me the song, the words immediately came to me.
L'envoi musique pour lui, c'est comme si il fit through it. Bon, you know, m'apprécie ça dans monsieur un peu. Le but la monsieur voyait en WhatsApp voice pour moi. Là m'entend de monsieur get un record, de monsieur get un écrit longtemps, man, you know. Life, this is, I don't know, man, I don't know. This guy's black, man. This guy's black.
I said, Mama told me the Lord will come through. If I believe, stay on my knees, I'ma see him move. Now I pray about everything, that's my lifeline. He may not come when you want him, but he's right on time. Yo, so literally, man, the words came. That's what I. C'est ça m'pire men nan travail nan beat YB voye pour moi parce que all of the beats that he gives me, it's like musique là, it actually feeds me what to say. It's like, and that's why I salute my man, you know what I'm saying, and working with. That's why I'm going to travailler avec lui. Parce que when I work with him, the energy is right, you know what I'm saying, the vibe is right, positive energy all day. That's why I salute to the homie. But yeah, so anyway, I created a song. I sent him a voice note on my phone.
I was just like, when the voice note came in, I was just like, yo, and I automatically just say, that's a hit right there, that's a hit record. You know, m'pas besoin ko tande kijan lap sonne dans studio a. Depuis m'tande balls là, just say, yo, this boy right here.
You know what I'm saying? And when I sent him the voice note, he was like, yo, Life, that joint is it. You know what I'm saying? So he approved of the record. And immediately, we don't waste no time. When it's time to work, I went out to the studio, we recorded the song, and the rest is history. And the song is serving a blessing to people.
Let me tell you the truth. Like, my boy Pat, monsieur, it's like, that's my go-to guy, man, you know? M'ba jamais vont beat by monsieur pour monsieur pas always ready. And ça montre que monsieur gon, non seulement gon passion, but he's gifted. And le bon Dieu ba un talent, man. Ou ka wel, man. Ou mwen m'toujou di ça, pas parce que somebody is not yet like a superstar qui fait pas gen talent. Because talent can then, like, you know, bon Dieu utilise Pat the way that he's supposed to, I guess, you know?
See, the message in Get Down is that, you know, in everything that you do, you got to make sure that you're, you know, coming to God and waiting. Especially in my verse, I talk about waiting on the Lord in times where you don't really understand the Lord. Ton bon Dieu, le ou pas comprendre bon Dieu. Wait on the Lord when you don't understand the Lord, because there's certain things that happen in life where you really just can't make sense out of it. You know what I'm saying? But bon Dieu gen un plan pour toutes choses. He has a plan for everything. And I just want to encourage everybody out there that, listen, get down on your knees and seek his face, seek his will, seek his purpose, because he has an answer for you.
When I walk through the valley, and I don't wait for you. I've been stressing life like they ain't ready for tomorrow. tomorrow. But I know you are always with me going through the sorrow. Through the pants, yeah, in you are always forest. Man, it ain't no drug, bro. It ain't no drug, man. That's why let me come music, man. And I don't know where they come from, but like let me come music style. It's just like we all nous chaque gon grenn do lè dans la vie, man. Nous gon en situation rive, nous get pain pa nous qui n'a endure separately. Nous tout deal ensemble avec différents. Moi c'est ça que fait moi-même. Western music moi m'la m'son musique, m'fait musique positive. Côté que pas seulement faire musique pour mon l'église, je fais musique pour jeunes yo dehors à traverser une situation difficile pendant que dans l'église, man, we ignoring them because nous seulement dit c'est mon job que yo est. Parce que ça y a fait, c'est parce que c'est yo me tête yo la donne. Non, c'est pas yo me tête yo la donne, bro. C'est pas yo me tête yo la donne.
You know what I mean? So I said in the song, I said, you know, now I pray about everything. That's my lifeline. You see, now I pray about everything. That's my lifeline. Meaning, prayer is no longer an option for me. La prière, m'pas jouer avec la prière. Prayer is on bagay qui m'pas vivre sans li, m'pas vivre sans la prière. And we have to understand that things happen in our life that will cause us to be shaken. Things could happen in our life that'll décourager nous, you know what I'm saying? But we have to understand, dans la prière, n'a besoin force. We will find strength to continue whatever it is that we're going through. So that's what the song is about. It's about getting down on your knees and seeking the Lord until He is able to release what it is that you're asking Him for.
Man, you just gotta get down. N'importe quelle situation à traverser le moment, just get down on your knees. Get down, qui veut dire descendre sous genou. Descendre sous genou ou pas faire faux pas. You gotta believe me.
So, man, me and YB, the way we work, man, who knows? We may put out a whole project, man. If y'all dig it, if y'all want to see a project out of us, you know what I'm saying? Shout out, you know, leave us an inbox, text us, let us know what it is. You know what I'm saying? And we could probably, I don't know, we may have something cooking. We don't know. We can't disclose anything. You might have to speak to the homie.
Me and Pat, I don't want to leak nothing. M'pas limit pièce. Oui, mais la ria. But me and Pat, all I gotta tell you, c'est pas première musique nous faire ensemble et c'est pas dernière musique. Just hold on. Get on your knees. Priez pour nous. Priez pour Tattoo. But one thing you gotta do for sure, voyez un message pour nous dans inbox nous pour dire nous qui j'ont apprécié musique là. Qui ça ou pensez nous qu'a fait pour nous capable get better. We love that, man.
It's your boy 2ndLyfe. I just want to remind you, man, whatever you do in life, man, get down on your knees and pray about whatever it is that you're going through because God has an answer. Liguez en réponse pour dans la prière.
Me and Pat, you know, we're always gonna be here for you. We're gonna keep working. You know, hey, just follow my homie Pat, 2ndLyfe, and follow Mr. YB. Let's go.